Dukni madongo e Pachokae ndi mong'ere kaka Naivas supermarkets kata mano yawo bade moro e gwenge gweko mag Githurai 44 mabende koro mano en bade noero mar abich e gwenge gweko mag Wangapaya mar Thika Road. Katika mano kawano chopo odiochieng' makiny duka noero bende igeno ni dhi yawo bade moro e kaunti noero ma Kisumu mabende kaunti noero ma Kisumu mong'ere kaka Naivas food market mabende ibi yawo e kar dot mar Simba Union.
We are very happy to be here. Yet another food market within Githurai 44. This is Committee Road. This particular road leads to one of the most untapped markets Maui Nakuja pia. As you go on, you're going to find that two cities actually coming up. This is going to be the main avenue. This road is actually being done. You're actually finding there's the land that has always been fought for, which actually our president has really worked hard to make sure that the eventual owners are being given more actually land and activities are actually coming up there. But you come up within a very competitive environment. And to my dear associates, just on this road alone, within the last few, we've had like 3 different movements. We have one person who wears red. We have another person who's come from the western side. They have set up their first 73 store, that's not. And on Friday we open our 74th store. And next week we open another. And we are not doing this just like at Naivas sasa itakuwa kama wale wengine, hapana. We are taking note of how we expand. We just don't expand for the sake of expanding. We are going, and every store has to be profitable. Every store has to make sense. Every store has to, at any one particular point, show us that it is able to meet its expenses. So every store, tunaangalianga kila duka, kama hii duka iko sawa sawa, kama iko sawa hatuogopi kusema tutafunga, kwa sababu tumeona pahali wengine walikuwa, na sisi hatutatembea kwa hiyo njia. Hii ndio itakuwa duka ya kwanza ambayo tutasema, by the way, kuna a Kenyan story being told by a Kenyan retailer of a successful enterprise. That is exactly what we as Naivas are going to do. And that's what you notice even as you go here. Our focus is more on you, the customers, more on you, on exactly making sure that our suppliers are happy. Salamu sawa. Sandaria has actually comes to give us one nice one on behalf of our suppliers. Makofi tafadhali.
Thank you so much, Willie. Good morning, everybody. I'm sure we are all very, very excited to be here this morning in support of Naivas as they continue to grow branches across the country. It is so nice to see a home-built Kenyan company and brand expanding nationally, making us proud, being the leader today in retail. On behalf of Chandaria Industries and all the suppliers, we are extremely proud to be associated with Naivas, Willie and the entire team. We wish you all the best. You know, the retail industry has gone through a lot of challenges, but it is really good to see Naivas stable, growing, employing thousands of people, supporting thousands of suppliers, transforming neighborhoods like this here. I'm not going to debate where exactly we are. That was debated earlier, but on behalf of, all the suppliers, and myself, I'd like to say a big, big congratulations, and we look forward to working with you going into the future. Thank you so much, and let's enjoy today's opening, and let's support Naivas in every way possible. Thank you very much.
Just hold on, kiddo.
So you'll tell us.
Yeah.
So in 3.
Yes, continue.
2.
Wait.
Okay.
Is it okay to remove?
Yeah, you can remove your masks.
For a minute.
For a minute.
Yes.
So in count of 5, yeah?
Yeah.
We go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Open my coffee. Welcome to the
Gikanyere makela e giko mag weche gweko mag ohala. Oriti oro masane awe koda Chris Owino mabendo ikore mar kelo weche gweko mag tuke.